using the Skin and Lab Ectoin Recovery Gel Cream for a while now, and it's honestly become my go-to whenever my skin feels irritated or stressed. The biggest thing I've noticed is how calming it is. Redness looks reduced, tightness disappears, and my skin feels more comfortable almost immediately. It's surprisingly hydrating for a gel formula and leaves my skin feeling plump and smooth without any heaviness or stickiness. The star ingredient is Ectoin, which helps protect the skin from environmental stress while repairing and strengthening the barrier. It also contains beta-glucan for long-lasting moisture and panthenol, provitamin B5, to soothe and support skin recovery. Together, these ingredients really focus on hydration, calming sensitivity, and improving overall resilience. The texture is lightweight, slightly viscous, and absorbs quickly with a refreshing finish, making it perfect for layering under sunscreen or makeup. I use it daily after toner and serum, and sometimes apply a thicker layer at night as a soothing mask, especially after exfoliating or using retinol. Overall, it's a gentle yet effective moisturizer that's ideal for sensitive, reactive, dry, or acne-prone skin, and it truly feels like a reset for a compromised skin barrier.